You learned about questions with the verb be, like, are you Italian? And short answers like, yes, I am. Let's have another look. Tiago shows photos of his friends to Callum. Listen to what they say.
Are they all Brazilian?
No, they aren't. Gonzalo's from Argentina.
Is he a student?
Yes, he is. He's at college in Sao Paulo.
Callum asks 2 yes or no questions. Are they all Brazilian? And is he a student? Tiago gives 2 short answers. No, they aren't. And yes, he is. How do we ask questions with am, are, and is? Look at these sentences. We start yes or no questions with am, are, and is. The subject comes next. For example, am I? Are you? Or is he? Let's look at a table to see some be questions. Notice the order of the words in these questions. Am, are, is, plus subject. We usually give short answers to yes or no questions. Look at the table again. Short answers usually have 3 words. For example, yes, I am, or no, I'm not. When you are ready, go to the activity. You've finished.